The best smart light enables you to create a warm and cozy home with a few taps on your smartphone. Whether you want to brighten or dim the light, switch it on or off, or in some cases, even change the color it illuminates to match a certain mood, these LED smart lights ensure you don't have to leave the sofa. Number 10. Cree A19. In recent years, Cree has established itself as one of the premier LED bulb manufacturers in the world, creating affordable, effective lighting solutions to replace the energy-sucking incandescent bulbs that plague our poor light sockets. Capable of emitting 815 lumens while consuming just 10 watts of energy, the hyper-efficient A19 standard bulb, rated at 25,000 hours of use, works with all dimming switches, meaning you won't encounter any annoying buzzing sounds or malfunctions when adjusting the brightness of the bulb. Number 9. Govee LED lights. Take absolute control of your LED lights with the Govee Home app, the remote, or the control box. With a stable Bluetooth connection, you can change colors, power the lights on or off, or adjust brightness within a 32.8-foot control range. Its built-in sensitive mic allows you to sync the lights to your preferred music as you watch the color-changing lights dance to the rhythm of any song. Number 8. Wyze Bulb. The Wyze White Bulb is a solid budget option. Like Wyze's other smart home products, the Wyze Bulb requires a small setup process to connect the bulb to its app. Once you sync the bulb, you can easily adjust the brightness from your smartphone or tablet and even set weekly lighting schedules. There is no hub needed either. This unit also pairs with Alexa and Google Assistant to add a hands-free voice activation lighting option for those so inclined. Number 7. Eufy Lumos Smart Bulb. Eufy is actually kind of new, but it is already making a name for itself. It may be the early days for Eufy's smart bulb offering. There's currently only one bulb to choose from, but it's easy to use and ideal for those looking for a simplistic smart light bulb. The bulb supports Google Assistant and Alexa, although there's no HomeKit support yet. Number 6. Hive Smart Light. If you want a smart light that fits within one ecosystem, the Hive Active Light is a good fit. It can be controlled from a single easy-to-use app, providing you have the Hive Hub, streamlining the smart home control process. As an added bonus, Philips Hue bulbs can be integrated into the Hive ecosystem. Like the other smart light ranges, Hive has a variety of bulbs, with some that change color and some that just do white. Number 5. TP-Link Kasa Filament Smart Bulb, KL50. TP-Link offers an affordable range of smart home devices, including cool smart lights, as well as color and white bulbs. It's one of the few brands that also offers smart filament-style bulbs too, that can create a vintage-style look while still maintaining modern smart home capabilities. It's very easy to install and simple to use. The TP-Link Kasa Filament Smart Bulb offers Amazon Alexa and Google integration too, although there's no HomeKit support. Number 4. Nanoleaf Essentials. The Nanoleaf Essentials is the more budget-friendly aspect of the Nanoleaf products. It also offers more affordable Essentials range of smart lighting like its expensive counterpart, and not only can they glow a wide range of colors, they even have a circadian lighting feature that changes the color temperature throughout the day to mimic the natural light. Nanoleaf Essentials Smart Light support Thread, a smart home technology that is more stable than Wi-Fi and puts an end to laggy connections, as well as Bluetooth. However, they only work with HomeKit and Google Assistant, so it might be worth avoiding if you use Alexa to control your smart home. Number 3. Nanoleaf Shapes. The Nanoleaf Shapes takes the concept of lighting and turn it base over apex. Using a collection of hexagonal and triangular panels, you can create a dynamic shape on your wall or ceiling, and has the capability to shift through over 16 million different colors. These panels can glow solid colors or can transition at different speeds through colors to create a unique lighting effect in your home. On top of that, you can set the panels to react to touch or even music playing in your surroundings, putting you in the center of your own music video. Number 2. LIFX A19. LIFX offers a plethora of smart light options, from color to white bulbs that come both in full size to the more compact LIFX mini design, as well as light strips. There is also LIFX Beam and LIFX Clean. LIFX is actually a smart light that can also kill bacteria. LIFX bulbs don't need a hub to access all the features. These smart lights connect directly with your Wi-Fi, and they're compatible with HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistants too, meaning no matter the type of smart home you have, they'll fit in. Number 1. Philips Hue Color Ambiance. There's a very good reason why Philips Hue is the biggest name in the smart lighting scene. It's without a doubt one of the greatest products on the market. The light produces the most natural tones of any smart lighting. The app is simple to use and installation is very easy. There's a wide range of different smart lighting too, from color with 16 million shades and white bulbs to side and ceiling lamps, outdoor lighting, and even Philips Hue light strips. It also works well with Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit. That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and hit that big bold red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Till next time.